I know what they want. Wait, I don't want to touch this with my hand.
It's alright, I'm not eating it anymore. He's getting it ready.
I'm making you guys breakfast. Who wants some? You guys want some of this food? Oh, you're gonna like what I'm making for you. Who wants some? Come eat some.
Put it on the thing.
Come on.
Put it on the chair.
Cheep, cheep, cheep. Oh, there's food on there.
It's not a trick. Just go, dum-dums.
Why are they scared of the plate? Why don't they want to eat off the plate?
They want you to feed them.
Come to me, my babies.
They don't like the plate. Maybe they think it's a trick.
All right. Not a trick. Just a plate of bread.
It's weird.
Yeah, no, they're like scared of it.
Ah!
You walked right up to it.
Huh? That scared him.
Maybe when they land on it, it flips over on them and they don't like that.
Mm. Just put it on the ledge then. Like, put the stuff on the ledge.
Okay. You still videoing?
Mm-hmm. They're not that entertaining anymore, though.
Not as easy to eat as the croissant, is it? Alright, land on it. Who wants it?
Mm-hmm. Oh!
Oh, he got it. They're going after him. Alright, I've had enough of that.
Bye, fellas.